So we got 6 B2 Audio Rampage XMV315s in here. We have 3 Crossfire XS8Ks. We're gonna play a new song today. It's spicy.
How spicy?
Pretty spicy. So we got the SMD AMM1 here, which will tell me if I'm having a clip signal, good signal. So we're gonna play this song. We're gonna watch it because I've never played this song and make sure it's clean. Oxycontin.
So this shows you real time the power.
Like I said. We can sit here.
There was a point in here where it was like 6,900 watts. So that's times 3.
So that's actually pretty good. That's actually pretty clean power.